And it's summertime here, and you can see the houses here is a bit similar to each other. They got the code that they have to follow, I guess. And plus the siding, like that kind of siding is cheaper. Most building with the concrete on them is like business establishment. And this is the bus. Every bus stop have numbers on them, and the bus stop have numbers also in there that the bus should stop in there. And they got the particular time. I think it's 15 minutes gap, depends on the number too. Like if you're going to the west town, I think you have like to wait 2 hours before the right bus coming through from where you are. And then you also have to have exact amount of your money, and they only accept cash. Because it happened to me where I did bring the not exact amount, and it's like trouble. So it's better just to be ready with your exact amount. And this is the park here, Monona Park. I don't know the real name, but they have an event going on in here because it's a memorial weekend. They got here to honor the veterans and the people who died during the war. This park is very, very large. I don't know how many acres is this, but it's also by the lake, so they got beautiful views. It's just a field though, no playground or something on it, just field. And they got another stop sign in here, and it's still going. Yeah, you would think it's done, but it's still the park here. It's really, and they're still doing the, I think they're gonna put the sticks through here till the very end. Yes, it is. And there's a guy jogging. Another stop sign. And their houses you can see here. And this is the school here. But the school year this time is done. They already, it's like summertime. School year here and in the Philippines varies though. And it changed too in the Philippines, the school year. Last time I talked to my sister, they said Duterte changed a lot of things in the Philippines. And then with the trees, the only place in Manila that has those trees is the Makati City. They got trees by the road, and it's just beautiful. So Makati City, Taguig City, those are the cities that makes up the Metro Manila, and the only city who has trees, and the only city that's like they put a lot of effort to making it pretty than the rest of it is Makati City. Because I think Makati City get a lot of taxes because it's like the center of the business establishment. They got lots of establishment in Makati. We are now here at the Thut Park. So this is a park in Madison, but then we go through by Monona. So it opens at 4 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m. You can visit their website for more information. They got no restroom in this park. It's like 7.19 acres. And then it is named after Thut, Sam Thut. I don't know how it's pronounced. Sam Thut. He donated a parcel of the land near his house that provides the pedestrian entrance to the park. This is my first time here. Claude, go in there with the rocks. What is this?
It's rubber.
I thought it's like a charcoal. Ho ho ho! Okay. What is that?
Here, hop on it. Put your feet on there.
Ah, wait. It's too small.
Spread your feet out. Now rock it. All the way back. Go all the way back.
It doesn't. What is that there? What is that there?
It's a playground.
Let me see. How are you gonna do
Okay,
this
let's
one?
go get the drone. Come on.
Oh, there's a...
See, look at it. Watch this.
It's on my face. Juice? Juice. In my chips, I'll make that. I'm not yet hungry.
All right.
I think the dandelion got into my nose. Oh God. We can actually eat in here.
No, there's no eating here, April. These benches are for sleeping. I'm gonna fly the drone. BTE augmented glasses.
And it's a cool looking. Well, when he tried it on at the house, it's kind of weird looking. You should show that when you eat it. Lots of spider
These
webs.
are the augmented reality glasses. I'm going to use these to fly the drone so I can see what the drone sees. Should be pretty cool. Fashion. It's called fashion, April. First, let's charge up everything. I don't know if it's legal to fly this here or not, but there's nobody up here. We're right smack kind of in between two lakes, so this ought to work out pretty good. This goes like this. This. Plugs in here. This goes to this. Oh wait, it's upside down. There we go. This is like a touchpad here, almost like a cell phone, kinda, basically. This plugs into here. That. Alright. Glasses. It's plugged into here. Okay. So
Well,
now
if-
first let's turn on the drone.
There it is.
Drone is on. Turn this on. That's on. Turn on the
Be
glasses.
careful.
Yeah,
With that wire. Kind of dirty.
Why is this booting up? It's not plugged in right. It's supposed to say Bavario. Let's see. There, now it's good.
It's not turned on.
Oh, there it is. This is absolute. Oh wow, that's like super cool outside. It's like a huge big screen TV outside. It's like crystal clear. It's like 4K. GPS, calibrate maps, compass. Okay, it's right now it's showing me. I can see what the drone sees. Okay, compass error. Move aircraft or calibrate compass. Not there. It says calibrate. Okay, calibrate the compass. Ensure there are no magnets or metal objects near you. Okay. It says step 1. Make sure no magnet. Okay, whatever. Rotate aircraft 360 degrees horizontally. Okay. Okay, ready to GPS. Okay, now it's recording. Okay, now to fly it. Okay, I need to change these lenses. See? Okay, these go on like it's like that. Yeah, I mean they're too dark. I gotta go with the other ones. What does it look like this? Way too bright.
Wait, what's wrong with that one?
It's too dark. I can't see the drone. The object is to see through the picture and see your drone at the same time. So I can see what the drone sees. Okay, let's just go with this. That'll have to do. Slide to take off. Oops.
There it is. Pichindok. Can you see the lake?
Yeah, I'm looking over the lake right now. I'm looking at Madison across the lake.
Cool. This is our third time flying the drone. So getting pretty well somehow. And Claude doesn't really go that far yet because you don't want to rest the drone. And when he got really good at it, that's when he would fly farther. It's really hot in here and I'm sweating right now. This park right now is empty. Just me and Claude in here. So, oh, another hut. See that? I don't know if they're just throwing this hut. We found another hut in there. So anyway, parks here is kinda, most of them are empty. Unlike the one in the Philippines, you know, Lunita Park, it's always packed with people. Here it's a different story. I don't know why, but people usually just, even malls is not that packed. Maybe it's because, you know, Manila is really overpopulated. Here in Wisconsin or just here in Madison, it's not that much population in here with that big area. So usually houses are far apart, groceries are, you know, you have to need a car in here for you to, well, you can take the bus, but bus is gonna take a lot of time. So Claude already is here. What is it?
Huh?
You're done flying the drone?
Well, the battery's down to like 48%.
Oh.
So
With the drone or
here.
the
It's
control?
it's really windy up there. I was getting like 20 mile an hour winds up there. So I went up and moved my drone over quite a bit. Didn't crash it. That's not bad for the first time wearing these glasses. It's kind of weird because you see exactly what the drone sees, and it's like being at a movie theater with a huge screen in front of you, watching what it sees, but you can see through the screen and you can still see the drone. So that makes it legal in the United States. You always have to have your eyes on the drone when you're flying it. So this enables you to see what the drone's seeing and still see the drone itself, which is really cool. Kind of expensive, but it's worth it. Some pretty high-tech stuff here. It's like James Bond. Straight out James Bond. For 007? So I still see the last picture that the drone saw before I turned it off. It's kind of cool. Alright.
It's recorded though.
Yeah, it all recorded. It recorded to the memory on the drone, and it also recorded to this. So I have actually 2 copies of what the drone did. Kind of neat. So if you crashed your drone and it went in the water, you'd still have a video of your crash here. Crashing it? No. These things are expensive. I'm saying if you crashed this into the water and you never got your drone back, you would actually have a recording of you crashing your drone, because it records on the Maverio BT300 also. It records on the glasses. What I'm seeing is being recorded here and on the drone itself. Put the gimbal back on.
Gimbal.
It's like that. These fold down like this. Yeah, this is the Mavic Air by DJI. Very small drone, but it does a lot of stuff for how the size of it. And I was in like 20-mile-an-hour winds up there at like 300 feet, and it stayed rock solid. It moved it around a little bit, but only like maybe 4 feet. At 300 feet, the wind moved it, but then the GPS, it knows exactly where it took off and where it's at and where it's supposed to stay unless I actually move it. So it was actually floating back within 3 feet at 300 feet and 20-mile-an-hour winds. So that's pretty good. He's back. Yeah, if you're not familiar with flying drones, I highly suggest one of these. They're really easy to fly. They practically fly themselves. These are I bought these for it. These Bose wireless headset or earbuds, whatever you call them. But I actually didn't need them because I could hear the beeping for because the telemetry tells you, or when it gets too much wind, it actually beeps and it makes you look at the telemetry display, and then you can see how fast the wind's moving, if it's moving too fast. So actually, I didn't really need these, but these will come in handy for other things because I can use these for the augmented glasses to watch movies and stuff like that, where you plug these in and then you have it's like going to the drive-in theater with a huge screen and in really good, crystal clear, high definition. So these will actually come in handy for that. And
Can I use that?
So, and plus the battery life on these is 5 hours, and then another 10 hours with the case. So that's really long. So you're probably not going to be listening to them that long. So you don't have to worry about them dying. I learned that these dark glasses are way too dark, even on the brightest day, because you can't. What I noticed is I can see the screen really well. I can see what the drone is doing really well, but I can't see the drone. And the important thing is to be able to see the drone. So with these, you can't even see the drone. And it's really bright out. So they make another pair that costs $230, a lens that are polarized, that are supposed to be kind of dark like this, but polarized. But if I can't see the drone, it's not worth $230. So I'm not gonna buy them. I'm just gonna go with the lighter. And you can see that has a small case. So basically this and this is all you need to fly the drone. You can fit that basically in your pockets, flying on a plane, wherever. That's all the space it takes up, just like that. To have 4K video anywhere at up to 800 feet. It's pretty good. And then also, if you're flying to wherever you're going, you can use this for your entertainment, the glasses, because anything that you can do on an Android device, you can do on these. Netflix, YouTube, whatever. Or you can put a memory card into it. You can download music videos or movies right to it and then watch them on a plane if you don't have an internet connection. So yeah, there's tons of entertainment right here. And this battery life on this lasts, I think it's like 7 hours or something like that. So that's a lot of entertainment. The drone only flies for like 20 minutes though. But I have 3 batteries, so we can fly it for like an hour. I just use this case here. I can pack everything. This is all the GoPro, my GoPro accessories, what April's using right now. The extra battery, attachments, SD cards, every possible thing you could think of that you're going to need for the GoPro, and to hook it up to a computer and all that stuff. That's all fits in a nice case. So I actually have everything for recording and flying all right here. And this has the extra attachments, batteries, controller for the DJI drone. Yeah, pretty handy. And it's super light. Aluminum. Alright, let's roll. April! That's nasty. Totally nasty. In the car? Come on. At least roll down the window.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. It's that Filipino smell.
music.
Oh, like Heather, Don. Trying to tell me I don't got rhythm? You trying to tell me I don't got rhythm?
It's green light already. You've been sitting there for a while. What's the